Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode we are going to finish the up part. So we're going to be going from the TD-05 up to the GT35. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, it's Monday night about 9 o'clock. Unfortunately I won't be able to get this out to you for Tuesday upload. But hopefully we can get this all done for the Thursday upload. So I got home and quickly came out and cut this. It's a 21 centimeter straight pipe here. Last night I booger welded that. It's got like 3 or 4 times. This flange has been used, so it's got all the grot on it. I did try to clean it up as much as possible, but we'll need to clean it up a bit more. So what I'll do is I'll do the inside here. I can do the outside. I can't do the outside tomorrow. Won't be home until late. But we'll be able to tack this on to this one. So I'll tack it on that way. Then this will come down to the subframe. Then we can work from under the car. So we don't need to keep taking the GT35 off. We'll just go from under the car to the TD-05. Alright, do a little sneaky angle grinding with a flap disc and bevel these edges. So that is right to weld up to that. We don't have to worry about it. So I'll do that now. And then you can pretty much put the GT35 in. Actually, I need to find a gasket. A T3 gasket. Could not find T3 gasket, so we're just going to have to work without it for now. We'll have to order some. We'll order one. I will need to order the gaskets for the TD-05 as well. Actually, maybe not. Maybe not. But anyways, let's get back to it. Okay, we got that tacked up nicely, nice and tight. Also, I got a little surprise in the mail today, so wait until a bit later. Right, put this on here. We'll chuck the up pipe on there. We'll stick it in for the last time until it's coming out for paint and gaskets. And got it sitting back in there. It's nice and close to that bracket, so I'll probably make a little bracket here once we are like in the perfect location. Make a little like L bracket or something. Yeah, there is enough room, maybe not, for the wastegate down there. Not 100% sure on wastegate location yet for the GT35, but it's a big sucker, so I have to hide it somewhere. And also, I might paint it, hide it a bit. So we'll head underneath. Alright, there it is. It's not touching the engine. Now it is. Now it's not. And a little bit of movement there. So that's roughly how the original one comes out. TD05 there. Get a pipe from here to here. So what I'm going to do is, I don't know what I'm going to do. No, I've got to get this right. And probably take off the Cobra, trim that down a bit so I can push it a little bit further over. So yeah, and then we can get the flange onto the back here. You can work out all that stuff. Get that out of the way. Alright, we've got the TD05 off. As you can see, there's probably about a centimetre gap in between this and that, so I'm going to take about a centimetre off here so we can push that back in. And while I'm here, I will bolt up the flange, which is just here. Boop. Alright, so I've been playing around for a while under there with the TD05. It's getting quite late. 10:50, got to work tomorrow morning. But I'm going to tack this 2.5 to 2 to the 90 degrees. This will be like the dump out of the TD05. Just throw 3 little tacks onto that so we can see what angle we can get at. Alrighty guys, I'm going to call it a night. It's 20 past 11. So we've got the dump here. Might have to cut these tacks off and add like 4 centimeters in there. And probably add the 6 centimeter one here. So that'll go to the up pipe section. It's like dump pipe section. And that's just, again, deburring and cleaning up. Still need to do that one and that one. Yeah, takes a long time, guys. Alrighty guys, it's now Wednesday afternoon. It's about 5 o'clock. So we can do some cutting. We are still, I think, working under here. So yeah, and go from there to there. Let's get the light in. So from there to there, and try to kind of keep it as high as possible. Alrighty, just got pulled away by the fam to go for a walk, dinner and all that. So it's about 9 o'clock now. I did manage to tack this 2.5 to 2 inch onto the dump pipe section. So now it's going to be a bit easier. I'll put that back onto the turbo. I need to make up a bracket. I'm going to make a bracket for that. Yeah, get that back on to there. Get it back under and go from there. This has taken forever. to the up part. That's it. Alrighty guys, finally finished tacking up the up pipe. Man, that took ages. So we've got TDO5 dump here, and then up into the up pipe there, to the GG35 at the top. It is pretty heavy, and let me know in the comments below if I should put the wastegate for the GG35 up high or down low so it dumps onto the ground. Yeah, I do have to plumb in a wastegate as well from pre TDO5, which is over there. But off camera I'll blow this all up. It needs to be cleaned up, obviously. You can probably tell when I was welding it, all the crap jumping off it. So it's got like a wax or something on it. So you clean up everything, give it a full weld. That'll be after I do the wastegates. So probably just clean it up off camera. Next episode we'll be doing the other part, so just the hot side to the TDO5, and be sorting out wastegate location as well. Thanks for tuning in guys. This episode probably took myself well over a week to do, but hope you enjoyed it, and if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye.